Yeah, so most of you have this question, and is it a question or it is always an excuse that you know what, I'm damn busy that I cannot do social media or I cannot be a social media entrepreneur, and at the same time, when I'm working. Yeah, can I tell you something? For you to get what you want, you have to sacrifice. What have you sacrificed today for what you want? Passive income is not something that you joke with, by the way. Do you know how it is beautiful to sleep and you wake up, you go to check your phone, how much entered there, how much was deposited, how did this work? It's like you're having or you're moving with a mobile office. There's someone working for you. And why not take this opportunity? Why not take this chance for you to make sure that, okay, if you don't, if you can be like me, you first make it like, how do I call it? Let me list you very well. I'm near people. I went for lunch somewhere and I'm near people. So I was like becoming shy. I was fearing even how to speak. That's when I said, okay, let me shift to another one. I was telling you, do you know how hard it is for you to prepare? By the way, have you seen my tabby? I told you guys, be natural. Me with my natural hair, I don't know how to put on wigs. It's not that I don't have money. I can buy for you a wig on a monthly basis, by the way. But I love being natural. Reaching home. Okay, where had I reached? I'd reached on telling you how it is good to know that you can get your money. It's very beautiful. Not going to hustle. And remember, the money is in your custody. You just have it at home. You have that smartphone. So today is when? Today is 8th. By 9th, tomorrow, we shall receive our pay slip for Facebook. For YouTube, it came on 22nd. That is the pay slip. So what about you? Me, I always ask you guys, what about you? If you have a smartphone and you have a skill, you have zeal, you have something you like, even you have something you hate. If you have something you hate, you fight it over with your smartphone. The platform gives, now social media platforms have given us private offices. Come think of it. You're saying you don't have money, you don't have money, and at the same time you say, I'm busy. These two things cannot go together. You can say, I don't have time, I'm busy, but I have money. But you're saying you don't have money, and at the same time, you don't have time. What is this? That's why there's a saying that the rich gets more richer and the poor gets more poor. Because the rich, they want to get more, and the poor, they want to sleep more. Trust me. I want you to look around among your friends who are ever begging of money, who are ever in lack. They are the most people who sleep more than 8 hours. Then I want you also to see your friends. The ones, if you get a call and call, hi, say, hi, darling, or hi, babe, or whatever, can I get my $100? The one who hurries to give you that money, who are ever available, those people sleep less. But do you take a step and ask them, how do you do it? Now for me, I decided I will never hide anything. I will be coming here and I tell you these secrets. Now, there are very few people who take these secrets. So, trust me, there is no excuse. I told you. It's because I didn't allow you to see my background. I'm at work, so I decided to go out and take a meal. And I'm like, imagine, this can make a video and it can make me money. Let me see if you want to make money. By the way, as I conclude, people on Facebook, on TikTok, on Facebook and YouTube, tujja kubeerako kano kankayogere mu Luganda n'Olunyankole. Ntuza kuba tulina ogiva ntuza kuba tulinako akasiimo k'abantu boona. Kweno akasiimo k'abantu boona. Wenna omuntu abeera active ku platforms zaffe tujja kuba tukuwa akasiimo.